All right, back here at a relative's pond. Got the machete. I was here a few weeks ago and brought my weed eater. And as you can see, I started to weed eat because the grass gets high. And when I came over here, my weed eater stopped working good. So, but I cleared out a little bit. So today we got the machete. So wish me luck. I'll tell you what I'll do. First cast here. I don't normally do this. So we got this is a little bigger jig head. This is not the best spot right here. I could see the shadow right out there. It's something huge. Probably a big snapping turtle or big catfish. I keep missing the cast though. He'll surface again. I think he's right out there. I think I see him. He's right there. That's a fish right there. Oh yes. He stopped. He's there at it. He's got it now. Dang. That's a huge fish right there, whatever that is. My God, there's a monster in here. There really is. There's a pond monster in here. All right. We'll get one right here. All right, team. I went to a relative's pond briefly yesterday. It's just been so hot. I haven't been much. You get sweat in your eyes. Your clothes get wet. We'll have more excursions soon as it cools down. But I went to a relative's pond and I saw like a 3-foot catfish. I saw the silhouette out in the middle of the pond. It stopped. I had a spinner on. It briefly stopped. It didn't bite it. But we'll catch that guy soon. How about that? I'll try. We ain't been here but 5 minutes. Already got it. Looks like from last year. A beautiful bass. Hang on, pal. Gorgeous.